I'll tell you few tips and tricks that you can try to look more stylish and monsoon-ready. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So first thing is clothes. Try to wear something synthetic, and I think cotton is the best. Also avoid wearing white clothes because they can be very transparent in monsoon. Like here I'm wearing this cotton off-shoulder top and pairing it with black synthetic white pants. This look is very comfortable and appropriate for the monsoon. If you like to wear something short, you can go for a romper like this one. Here I'm wearing this red romper which is so comfy and airy, so apt for this season. I think during monsoon, makeup should be kept very simple. Apply a little bit of moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and some compact for a little coverage, and also fill your brows to shape them, and you can either use a waterproof kajal or a liner. In my case I am using a kajal, and a lip balm for some tint. You should not tie your hair too tight as it can cause hair fall. Tie them in a loose bun or a ponytail and make it look more cute wearing a bandana. Don't wear shoes or heels as they will get ruined quickly. Instead, you should wear rubber sandal, flip-flops or slides. Keep a handbag which is waterproof so that it can protect all your stuff inside your bag when it's raining outside. And also don't forget to keep some items that will help you a long way, like an umbrella, a water bottle because you should avoid outside water during the season, mobile in a plastic case to protect it, and a compass for a little bit of touch-up when you are on the go.